maybe like you could squeeze a grommet in after it goes through?
I wouldn't even worry about a grommet.
I'm just trying to make it, you know, yeah, I get it, but just trying to make it professional. Right, I gotta figure out some way to do a little lane. Right. Because normally this is all hand laid. Right. So doing that would be interesting. So, yeah, and then I said once we get the sample, we'll put this hole here how big as it needs to be, push it through, and then Jack will tell you what your looming is. Got it? Okay, good. Nice. Very exciting. Hopefully it's perfect. Yay. Thank you, Ponch. What you doing?
Painting our stuff.
Cool. That's right. That's what we're doing today.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Happy Sander over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I welded a 1/4-inch plate on here.
Okay.
My sample now fits against the plate. These sit up real high. When this is down where it should be, then these are where they should be, and then this is where they should be. So what I want to do is document their location here.
Okay.
I want to document that we put this in here. I want to take these and slice them here, remove this plate, put these down where they're supposed to be, put this where it's supposed to be here, reattach these two together with this in alignment, because if you put that where it should be,
Yeah, you don't want
that's
to
right,
right.
but this isn't right. So I want these to fit together right, and then
Sure.
put this
Just
back
going
on
like
where it
butter.
was.
I agree. Ruby.
throw in the guys, you don't need to tie down the back.
Don't tie down. I get a little gnarly to get that thing to hop over and move, but even if it did, it's just gonna eat time.
Tongue lock.
Kickstand still.
I don't. See,
Okay.
I just know it's not even gonna start. I can tell by that sound. Your Schrader valve right under the speaker grills. Sec.
Hey.
I thought there was. That'll fill your tanks. Push it in there.
Yep.
That should do you. That's enough. Ready? Should do you.
One for every circuit. That's the thing.
Look at that. Money. Lovely.
Well, you can.
Hey, I'm
say-
two for two of not scratching them, but I may have just jinxed myself.
I'll cry.
Alrighty.
Oh my God.
He scratches my blue masterpiece or something.
so many tires.
Not your first time.
Yeah, yes.
Sounds good.
Okay. It's gonna need,
Significantly wider than
there's gonna
this.
be something that needs to take up the space, yes.
And that's it, yeah. You're around standard.
There's boxes that go here, but these are visible. Okay. Just go in there. Yeah. Go in there. So the glove boxes, I can grab the glove boxes if you want to see them, but they fit in here. The glove box does like this, so you can still see this. That's visible. We should fix that.
Because this I can do in no time.
If you took this with you, would you go back and fix it tonight?
Yes.
Yeah? Take it with you.
Yes.
Do you have another inner saddlebag for me? The other
Yes.
one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ready.
Because I can stick both of those on and I can plot some lights out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway,
So is this good to take?
yes. This is
Did you see anything from T-Step yet?
he sent me. Does yours? It does.
Yeah, I'm gonna take those because I can put them on the tank. I'm excited. Just got to get it all wired. I got a little bit more done today. Yeah, I got too much on my mind. This looks fantastic.
That can be a big problem. Too much.
I just hate to scratch it. You know, try not to whip it with too many wires and stuff. That's the thing about black, man. Just touch it and fucking scratch.
Just look at it. It's scratch.
Yeah. Nope, rear fender's on, front fender's on. I'll get the fairing now and get this on and get it wired. So that's big.
No, the I thought
Right,
that
you
the
thought a
vent-
piece fit over it,
the
right?
vent was
Yeah,
gonna, yes, yes. That was my take, but it was my mistake for not asking you.
No,
and-
the new repop ones don't even have these. They took all the new fairings that they make, the new aftermarket ones don't even, but this is an original fairing. The fiberglass ones don't even, they took those out. They don't even have those.
Yes, yeah, I've seen that. Yeah, they don't have anything.
No,
that
they don't
looks.
have any of it.
It gives
But
it more
it's
attitude.
original.
Yeah.
It's just original stuff. So
Yeah, it gives it.
I'm gonna make a bet. I don't even want to touch it. All right, I'm making progress. So, yeah, I'm actually doing, I got all my cables on. Jamie, you're right. I'm wrong. I promptly admit it.
Just unless you put the cable on the other side ferrule.
Right. I understand.
You know what I mean?
We
you
just used
gotta
to make
use-
custom ones. We used
well,
to cut
you
them
guys,
and solder them.
You
And,
guys have the spacers too. The little spacers. Then you can use one cable.
yeah. We just used to make custom lengths, so we could run one on our little. We made these little throttle couplers for the choppers and shit. Anyways, we're cabled. Carburetors installed,
You like, can't
100%.
get quarter over the fucking
Fluid in the
wire, so it's
primary.
The right size.
Yeah.
Clutch
that
cables
size
installed,
is
100%.
pretty
Switch
big.
housings are done. Carbs on,
Who said that?
all done.
Can't take credit.
I'm moving on. Kids getting me bolts for my pipe right now. I'm going to put my pipe on. Hey. What's up, Paul? How are you, bro? I brought you that Diablo in case my engine ever comes in. So I came into Justin's shop and ordered a Screaming Eagle 131 mil